I suck at tutorials because I'm lazy and impatient. That said, I hope this video will help get the process down to those struggling. Basically, Battlefront 2 textures are described like this. CS stands for color and smoothness. Smoothness is inverted roughness. Notice the names. That should help you. Smooth. Rough. If you have a roughness texture, simply invert it and you'll have smoothness. Color is RGB, while smoothness is alpha. NM stands for normals and metallic. RG is the normal channels, while B is the metallic. There is no alpha. AOSL stands for ambient occlusion and slice. The R channel is generally the AO, while the G channel is the slice, which is to say a blank texture or a mask. The B channel can be an AO or another slice depending on the mesh. WMAP is for weathering effects. Each RGB channel is a mask. Red is usually for stuff that instantly gets dirty, like boots. The helmet shouldn't have as much red. No alpha. NaSL is normals for RG and AOSL for B and alpha. Gimp seems to be the only freeware that can handle these edits. But do not fear. It's not that hard. Load up your image. Duh. Anyway, click on Colors, Components, and Decompose. If your image has alpha, click RGBA. If it does not, click RGB. Once you're done with your edits, go to Colors, Components and Compose. Make sure Background is clicked if the layer says Background. If your image has alpha, click Save Invisible Pixels as well. While CS can seem to handle 4K or even 8K, the max for other textures is 2048p.